In this video, we're going to walk you through how to assemble your oven cabinet. Start out with your face frame laying face down and then slide in your side panels, making sure the face frame is even with the toe kick. Once completed, place your top, bottom, and shelf panels into the cabinet using the dovetail grooves. After inserting the top, bottom, and shelf panels, it's time to slide the back panels using the dovetail. Now use the provided screws to secure the bottom back panel to the cabinet. Let's secure the bottom of the cabinet by placing metal clips in all the corners of the cabinet, as well as in the middle, the front, and the back of the cabinet. Now it's time to attach the L brackets. Use the pre-drilled holes to securely fasten them to the rear panel of the cabinet. Repeat these steps until all the L brackets are in place. Now take your drawer glides and slide them into place. Once in place, use the second hole of the glide to attach the glide to the side of the face frame. It's now time to attach the hinges to the cabinet. Use the predetermined dimples to attach the hinge to the cabinet. Once the hinges are fastened down, you can now attach the doors to the hinges. Take the front and back pieces of one of the drawers and place the wood glue in all the slots on the front and back panels. Using the dovetail, connect the sides of your drawer to the front piece. Then slide the bottom of your drawer into place and connect the back piece using the dovetail as well. Finally, you'll want to attach the connectors for the drawer glides. Put them in the bottom corners of the drawer and screw them down. Then pull out your drawer glides and set the drawer in place using your connectors to attach the drawer to the glides. Repeat these steps until all the drawers are in the cabinet. And you have now completed the assembly of your oven cabinet.